For most people, the vision of a holiday includes sundowners, swimming, spa treatments, room service, housekeeping, playing golf, and basically having everything done for you so that you can relax, unwind, and enjoy life. Now imagine having all of this 365 days a year right on your doorstep. Well, we recently met up with Wesley Grobler, the general manager at the Houghton, a newly built luxury apartment and penthouse estate where residents have full access to all the facilities at the Houghton Hotel.
The vision behind the development started more than a decade ago. There were visionaries behind an idea that saw an open space next to a golf course, which was already fantastic. And they had the idea of a lifestyle offering in terms of luxury apartments, a hotel, and something that can really relate to the direct community and get involved with small SMEs, to really get involved from the community coming through and making use of the golf course, making use of the apartments, the hotel, and understanding that there is a neighborhood, the Houghton, that can afford an establishment such as this to go up and look after its residents. The benefits of being a resident at the Houghton is you have access to the facilities of the Houghton Hotel. 4 pools, we've got a 9 treatment room spa, we've got a 700 square meter gymnasium, we've got various lounges for people to either have business meetings, relax, do some work, have phenomenal cappuccino, cafe latte. You have access to all these amenities, and from a services point of view, you have access to the hotel's concierge, you have access to the business lounge housing 4 boardrooms, you have access to laundry and dry cleaning facilities, you have access to room service, which the hotel extends to the greater development. So it really becomes a true lifestyle where you have these amenities on your doorstep, you have these services on your doorstep, you have passionate people behind these facilities and services that are willing to cater to your every need, not just as a hotel guest, but as a true resident of the state. And then you also have the access directly to the golf course, which you've got another array of possibilities. There's a running track through the golf course, play around the golf, maybe have something to eat at the clubhouse. Again, there's a different element to the lifestyle that you require. From one side of the development all the way to the other is 1.7 kilometers long.
These apartments are not just ideal for primary residents, but also serves as a great investment for property investors in the luxury buy-to-let market, as it will certainly put you in a completely different league with potential tenants.
For an investor offering, you could look at an array of apartments. All of them are, of course, luxury apartments that belong to this lifestyle offering. From a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 3-bed, 3-bath, 4-bed, 4-bath. It depends on the type of lifestyle that you're after, but you can start at roughly about 5.8 million, and you can go all the way up to 21 million, depending on the type of investment you would like to get into. The trend of moving away from residential suburb homes and going into a more convenient apartment style living is definitely on a positive side. It's growing because people want the ability to lock up and go. The pace of living nowadays is far outreached a decade, 2 decades, 3 decades ago, and people want the ability to have the secure environment where it is a fun environment, it's a healthy environment to bring up a family, and also be a part of a community if you so wish to be a part of the estate community. The idea of living in an apartment nowadays is not what it used to be, because an apartment nowadays is a home. It's a home in the sky. We've brought Manhattan to Johannesburg. Your elevator opens up into your apartment and it's luxury. You have the ability to park in the basement, a secure basement, go into the elevator, have the concierge bring your groceries up into your apartment for you. And again, it's about the open space that the apartment design itself allows for. It all allows for natural light to come through. It all allows for the skyline of Sandton and the northern suburbs of Johannesburg. And that's really what people want, to have that feeling of open spaces, but be in a secure environment. So you have the best of both worlds. For 3 and 4 bedroom apartments in the estate, you can expect from 200 square meters all the way to 800 square meters, again depending on the type of real estate you're looking for. However, what you can expect from the word go the moment you walk in is open spaces. It's modern design. You have Siemens integrated appliances throughout all the kitchens. You have the centralized air conditioning units. You've got big bedrooms. You've got from floor to ceiling cupboards. You've got walk-in cupboards, all ensuite bathrooms. You have open plan kitchens that roll into dining areas and roll into lounges and patios. Then you go to the 4-bedroom. Depending on the size of the family, you could look at various options. All depends on the position in the estate. But what you do have, you also have the ability of privacy, where a lot of people in complexes and estates don't enjoy this factor anymore because of high density building. So what the developers and the designers and architects really did exceptionally well in this estate is designing spaces that allow for privacy, exclusivity, but also allow for convenience and interaction if need be. The price range of the 3 and 4 bedroom apartments again come down to what you really want to enter into as either investment or as a home. The 3-bed, 3-bath can start at roughly 14 million and it can go all the way up to a 4-bed, 4-bath at 40 million. It depends on the type of lifestyle that you're after, and it depends on the type of appetite you have as an investor. Penthouses are always a unique topic when it comes to apartment living. Everyone wants to be in the high rise and the top of the building. What the Houghton estate really offers you is from a 4-bed, 4-bath to a 5-bed, 5-bath penthouse, ranging from 830 squares to 1,500 squares. It depends on the type of lifestyle, but what you do have is you have the exclusivity of having one of the very few penthouses that we have left, and luckily so. We have a few left that have the ability to give you that privacy on top of this magnificent building, on top of this magnificent development, that house not just wine cellars, lounges, various patios, water features, a jacuzzi, a pool, various entertainment spaces, right through to cottages for live-in staff or the family that you don't really want in your home coming to visit. But the entire offering is designed for you to feel comfortable and convenient and secure. The price range that you're looking at, the penthouse, the available penthouses at the moment start between 38 million, which is a 4-bed, 4-bath, and it ranges all the way up to 85 million, which is our 5-bed, 5-bath penthouse, the 1,500 square one. And it all depends, again, how you want to structure it, the type of investment you want to go into, but it's still a very good buy. But you also have the integrated iPad facilities and that link up to the security system, that link up to your elevator. So you as a family person living in the estate have the ability through geolocation that we've got panic buttons for emergencies from a security point of view. We could really locate you wherever you are and look after your every need. So it really is about what sets you apart, and I truly believe that what has been designed and implemented at the Houghton is a true reflection of a landmark in Johannesburg.
It has been said that in order to get what you want in life, you have to ask the right questions. So instead of saying, "This is clearly above my means," you might want to ask yourself, what do I have to do to afford an apartment at the Houghton? The answer might just surprise you.